online, it's crucial to be cautious and realistic about earning potential. Get-rich-quick schemes rarely pan out, and sustainable income often requires effort and dedication. Here are 10 legitimate ways to explore earning online, some offering passive income potential. Active income. Freelancing. Utilize platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer to offer your skills in writing, editing, graphic design, programming, virtual assistants, and more. Build a strong portfolio and client base to secure consistent work. Content creation. Start a YouTube channel, blog, or social media account focusing on a specific niche. Grow your audience and explore monetization options like ads, sponsorships, or selling your own products/services. Online tutoring/teaching. Share your knowledge by tutoring online using platforms like Schoolly or VIPKid. You can also create and sell online courses on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. E-commerce. Sell physical or digital products through your own online store, Shopify, or established marketplaces, Amazon, Etsy. Research your target audience and market effectively. Data entry/transcription. Websites like Amazon Mechanical Turk offer micro-tasks like data entry, transcription, and surveys for payment. While income is modest, it can be flexible and passive with minimal upfront investment. Passive income. Affiliate marketing. Promote other companies' products on your website or social media and earn a commission on each sale generated through your unique affiliate link. Choose products relevant to your audience and focus on building trust. Blogging with ads. Once your blog gains significant traffic, consider displaying ads through Google AdSense or similar platforms. However, building a successful blog takes time and consistent effort. Selling digital products. Create and sell ebooks, printables, templates, or other digital downloads. Platforms like Gumroad or Etsy can facilitate sales. Focus on high-quality products with clear value propositions. Investing. While not entirely passive, investing in dividend-paying stocks, real estate investment trusts, REITs, or peer-to-peer lending platforms can generate passive income over time. Conduct thorough research and understand the risks involved. Rental income. Rent out a spare room, parking space, or other underutilized assets through platforms like Airbnb or Turo. Manage expectations as this requires active effort in managing rentals and ensuring guest satisfaction. Remember, success in any online endeavor requires dedication, patience, and consistent effort. Avoid unrealistic expectations and prioritize ethical and sustainable practices. Research thoroughly before investing time or money, and be wary of scams promising quick and easy riches.